a change on the website. So I have added a plugin that we are going to use with recipes, and you're always going to insert it at the very bottom of the post. And right here, now you'll see something called Add Card. That's new because I added the Create plugin. So when you click Add Card, you're going to have several choices. This is a recipe, so you're going to choose Recipe. It's going to automatically fill in the title for you. Just click Create Recipe Card. Now, you're going to have to, let's see, let me open up the website so we can grab all this information super quick. It basically walks you through exactly what to post. So you're going to want to add a photo. And you can just use the same exact photo that you used in the recipe. Right there. You can insert it. So see right there, and it begins to build this card. So this is a way to do schema markup. Schema markup can be quite challenging for most people because it's code, and this is kind of a shortcut. So it adds the schema markup, it creates a recipe card, and you can monetize the recipe card because we're part of the Mediavine network, and this is a Mediavine plugin. And so you just start filling in the various information that I asked for. Author, this is a food, so we have a food and wine, so you're just going to check food and wine. Cuisine, so this you can just, we're going to have to make new categories as we go. So it's a salad. And you can see that as you're adding information, it's showing up over here. So the ingredients just showed up. And I'm not going to break down the ingredients into separate sections for this because it just doesn't work well for me. Okay, and then the instructions. So essentially you're just copying and pasting what you've already written into this card. What's neat down here is if we had a video, you could add a video, and you can add products. I haven't linked it yet, but we're going to link it to our Amazon account, and then from this drop down, every time you add a product, it will then offer you that product again. So you can link to a product every single time, and this is going to be something related to something you're going to need to create this recipe. So if there's a unusual ingredient that you have to order, that's what you would want to add. There's a place to put nutrition. You have to make sure you have all the ingredients in the servings, and then it will calculate it for you, but you do need to put a disclosure on it because this is your best guess. Is, you know, it's not always right. You add keywords, skip the Pinterest thing, don't worry about this, you leave that checked. And then down here, you can put in you can just copy and paste this. Nutrition information isn't always accurate, or you can make a custom message. And as you fill this in, you'll see that the title, the photo, they pop in an ad, ingredients, instructions, and then if you had put in a recommended product, it would show up there, which is an affiliate link, and then the nutrition information. So a little bit of everything. There's the author right there in the category. And then save draft, because you're not ready to put it in the post yet. But if you were ready to publish it, then you would go ahead and click Publish and Insert, and that's why you want to be at the bottom of the recipe, because when you add it, it's going to go down right there. Did that crash?